Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Yaamava employee account. For this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, now bring up the search bar and type in Yaamava employee login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link. Click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to the official website of Yaamava. At the top right of your screen, you can see the sign in button. Click on that button. Now, you'll be taken to the new interface, which is sign in. Simply enter your email address over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you hit the sign in button, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Your Password. In case if you don't have any account of Yaamava, click on Create Account. Then you'll be able to create your new account. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.